Hello everybody, Bill Batson here with Batson Enterprises. Another episode of Build to Fish. Today we're going to be talking about decals, laying down a decal. People think it's really hard and they have a lot of difficulty with it. It's not hard. It's pretty basic. We actually give you two decals to work with, so if you do mess one up, you got the other one. So I'm going to show you a little bit of how to do it today. Like I said, nice and easy. So we get two decals with each rod. They say RainShadow. Has the model number, specs, everything right on it. Real simple. Try not to get too much oil on your hands. Don't eat potato chips or smoked fish or anything like that before doing it. Keep it pretty simple. So what I like to do, for me, works out the best, is I find an edge. They're all die cut, or cut, not die cut, just cut. Real simple. I like to peel it back about this far, 3/4 of the way back, and lay it out. Real simple. Right? I'm not touching anything. And then I'm going to find where I want to put it. This particular one, I'm going to go ahead and stick it straight up and down. Straight up and down with my reel seat. Line it up. What I like to do is I'll find where I need to put it. Nice and straight line. Simple. Boom. Very simple. I keep it straight. I see a straight line. It's in line with my reel seat. Everything's on top. I like to play on top. Some people play on the side. Depends on what you're doing. Sometimes I put them up here. Sometimes I put them back here. Very simple. I take my popsicle stick. I start from the middle. I work my way back all the way, and you can see it laying down. Nice and simple. Nice and simple. Get all the clear spots out of it. I'll rotate it and I'll do it the other way. Nice and simple. Not real hard, just enough to get it to lay down. Real simple. Back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. Yada, yada, yada. All the way to the edge. Get all the white stuff off. All where you can see it clear. I like to go. Look at it good. Boom, boom, boom. Simple. I mean, it can't get much more simple than that, right? This one I have it laid like this. You can see Revelation on the side, RainShadow on the top. And some people, what they like to do is they'll put a coat of color preserver over the top of it. Make sure that it stays down. I have never had any problems with it, so I usually don't do that. What I'll come is I'll trim it out with thread on each end of it, put a finish coat on, and be done. Very simple. Look, I didn't even use my second one. That's Bill Batson, Built to Fish. Have a nice day.